I'm Peter Sidwell and this is my latest recipe. It is inspired by the Great British Curry. A takeaway, it's not an option at the moment, but there's no reason why you can't still get your fix. Follow this recipe and you will be tucking into the most delicious chicken tikka masala inspired dish you have tasted in a long time. First thing you need to do is take 4 chicken breasts and just using a really sharp knife, score into the top of the chicken breast to let all the flavour in. Then a drizzle of olive oil, followed by a sprinkle of your favourite curry powder. Then add a good handful of dried mint. Turn the chicken breasts over and do the same again. Transfer the chicken from the chopping board into a lovely big deep roasting tray. Then add some red onions cut into quarters. Add some whole tomatoes, followed by some sweet potato wedges and a lemon cut into quarters. Put the whole tray in the oven, 180 degrees for 45 minutes. Make sure the chicken's fully cooked all the way through before you serve it, and there you will have your wonderful chicken curry takeaway fix. The last couple of things that I'd do to it, add a few fresh herbs in the top and a couple of spoonfuls of yogurt, and there you are done. You've got your curry fix. Now if you want the recipe, go to www.kitchencraft.co.uk and you'll find it there.